Hello, my name is B1. I'm a computer science major at Brooklyn College. I'm also interning at ANO on the Autonomous Intelligence team, where I am the software engineer intern. So today I will be presenting to you guys about computer use tools. You may wonder what's computer use tools. Computer use tools is a large language model similar like how you interact with computers um, in a environment like similar, but in for the computer, it's doing the Dockerized environment. So in case you don't want your a large language model to mess around with your computer and delete your files and stuff. Some of the feature includes mouse control, keyboard input, screenshot capabilities, and screen viewing powered by computer vision. So let's talk about computer control. Mouse control is basically similar to how we as a human interact with the computer using mouses and how when you can click on different things. But for LLMs, you need because LLM can really see the screen. You actually need to take a picture and then feed into a large language model that have a computer vision, which basically talk basically allow large language model to view and see the image correctly and perform action. Keyboard input is basically typing on the keypad and having characters put out, and similar to how we human use computers. As I said before, screenshot capability is for taking an image and feed it into a large language model, which basically have computer vision that will allow it to analyze and see the screen. So how does computer use work? You may see that computer use is basically a tool that a large language model calls. So for example, this site is a backend API. It calls the large language model, and then the tool are picked based on determination of the large language model to see if it's want to use the tools, and then the requirement that the user have given it to use it. So it will fetch the computer use tool, and then it will stop. It will then go back to the large language model, and then when everything finishes, the action will return to the backend and then feed into the user in the front end. I will be having an individual demo of that in the future later slide deck. So use case of the computer use tools are weather forecasting, file system search, and test automation. So for weather forecasting, LLM is basically a tool. Those are like the tools for large language model can pick and use, similar to how we as human are using checking our phone for the weathers, and do file searching and some tedious test automations such as opening Gmail and then basically sending emails to clients and whatnot. And GitHub is basically you will be allowed to um, create project repos and to do the file code uploads. So on the computer use tools can do all of that, but I will be demoing the feature where um, LLM basically sends an email to notify that the celebration of Anno launching the product. So I will jump to the product demo. So here you will see that I run the link chain basically we built I built this using link chains link graph, and then I asked the model to send an email to this account email, and then the subject line will be Enno's blue dot launch, and then the body will be as you can see, hey, big news, Enno is launching a collective of powerful and new product, and the AI will automatically go and send it to the existing email I have set up in the background, and then sometimes the large language model can understand what your like the task is, so it sometimes will fail, but eventually it will like get it to the point where it actually sends the emails and recover itself. So let's see. Going forward, it will like as you see. Okay, so as you see, this processing takes a long time because of I'm hosting it on local large language models, and then here it says it takes a picture before sending the email, and then the validation it just will like autocorrect itself. So if it's that it runs, and then so right here, so it will send. It says sends successfully to the email, and then if I refresh, if I go refresh right here, it will come through eventually. If I see. So also I have another project that my team have done is autonomous intelligence. It's a agent that allows documents to okay, so it's basically a document agent that grounded within the document. So if I say hello right here, and then wait until it responds, it will like actually respond and give the reasoning. So I will be uploading a file right here. So right here it will I ask how I want to upload a file, and then it will respond and says that, but and I will check. Yeah, here I'm picking and choosing the which file to upload. I have uploaded a overview of like MTA's open source data, and then I asked it to summarize what is the file just uploaded. So it basically will think about it and then give me the correct answer to like the actual file it grounded on. So I just need to wait until it so yeah, so it was says right here, so a summary of like various type of entrance and exit of MCA stations, and then the thinking, reasoning, and the tools behind each step it takes. That's basically it for my demo.